Jalen. It's for the ball.
Got a little paperwork.
Oh, can't put that on there.
Oh,
it's going on YouTube. We ain't no starting over. This raw.
Hey, look, what's good, Slime? You already know.
We'll hit this car, talk to him.
Where you at anyway? Where you? Oh, you right there. Yo, for real.
So, what's up, y'all? I am at the wrap shop. Y'all remember me telling y'all whenever the wrap come in, I will give y'all a sneak preview. So, that's what we about to do. Finna go ahead and jump into this video.
What's up, guys? My Instagram is NRO Designs, NRO_Designs, and
Designs with a Z.
With a Z, yes, ZESIGNZ. And we got a Snapchat, but we're never really on that. We're trying to get to YouTube. We're trying to get famous, like SlimePack here. But yeah, you can follow us on there. We don't have a website yet set up just yet, but you know, follow us on the Instagram and Facebook. That's about it. But, hey, we're gonna make our car look good.
So, where you located?
We are at 1606 Godwin Avenue, Lumberton. Come check us out, Robeson County.
I'm here at the wrap shop with Nick,
What's
the wrap
up?
guy.
We got a color to show y'all.
Can't show. Should I show the full thing or just show a little bit?
I don't know about it. Just a little bit, a little preview. You gotta keep them waiting.
You see me that picture? Ooh, it look good. How you think it's gonna look on the car?
Bad one of a kind. Nobody's gonna have one like it. Let's see what we got. You ready to show them, or we gonna get a sneak preview?
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of clip it out a little bit.
Kind of flip it out a little bit. So let's see. I can roll it out a little bit. Let's see. You have to kind of roll it out because the whole full thing out there.
Ooh, that don't look crazy.
Ooh, she bad.
And the camera, it ain't even really picking up the full color.
Yeah, it's so bright. It's got all those colors in it.
I know it's gonna be crazy when it hit the sun.
Oh yeah, sunlight. That's when it's really gonna be bad.
You got some matte black here?
Matte black, yeah.
Make sure you.
So we got some matte black we're gonna do on the hood and the roof. We're gonna do the trunk too.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got enough of that?
Yeah.
Cool.
Got that. We got I'll show you this matte too. I'll let you look at that. If you like this one versus I got a few other mattes too. I'll let you look at to make sure this is the one you want.
Okay. Ooh, that looks good too. What's that? Camo or flowers or something?
It's yeah, it's kind of like it's a crazy cool pattern, but I think that would be too much going on with your pattern.
Oh yeah, but that looks good though.
Yeah, it does look good. Now, if you weren't doing the full wrap on yours and you were just putting some black on it, that would be badass on the color you got now. But that'll be too much with everything you got going on. So
that's why I wanted some black, like all down
some
the middle,
accents,
so it wouldn't be too much.
You need black accents to go with that color. You want that color to stand out, but you don't want everything to be that color, you know. So I still ain't even checked it out. I gotta walk out there and check it out.
It's dirty. It's dirty.
Not so bad. Yes, it's bad. One of a kind.
How many feet did you end up ordering?
I think I ordered 25 yards, I believe, or 20 yards. Gray.
You said it's a what now?
This is a holographic gray.
Oh. And you wrap this?
Oh yeah, I'm wrapping it now, doing the door jams and everything. So this one's gonna be, so that way when they take the doors off, it'll all still be the same color.
Right. You be doing the wrap by yourself?
I got my man Walker right here. Tell him hey. He's camera shy. So yeah, once we finish this one, we'll go ahead and get yours in. So hey.
About what you think? What you think the time frame gonna be?
About 2 years.
2 years?
Nah, we'll get you in and out pretty quick because I know you anxious. You ready? You ready?
I'm talking about like, you know, before I get in.
Before you get in?
It'll be done by May the 29th.
May the 29th. Let's see, what is it now?
The 10th.
Yep, we got that before that.
Okay, good, because they're having a big event with the car club. So I want that to be like the reveal,
yeah. The reveal of it. Yeah, because once we finish this, we can go ahead and get yours in. Do you have you got something else to drop for that week? Oh, we got you.
I'm already set up.
Oh, you already said, oh, so
I'm already set up. I'm ready. I'm ready. I already knew I wasn't gonna have it for, you know, a little bit.
Yeah, because yours will take a little bit longer than a normal charger because of the. I don't know. Let's walk out there and look at it.
So we about to walk out here and see. Look at everything he got to take off.
Check it out. See what we got to do. Since I ain't even seen the car in person.
It's real dirty. And I said, ain't no point in washing it. They calling for rain. It was just raining in Pembroke.
Yeah, it was just raining all yesterday.
And I had it real clean yesterday. Look at that truck over there.
Yeah, last time you were here, I didn't have the, I hadn't leveled it or anything. It still stopped. Now when we wrap it, do you want to wrap those two? Are you changing these out, or what you doing here?
You can put them black.
Okay. Because you know that orange ain't gonna look good.
Yeah,
Now,
and I was about to ask you, what about this? You think you have enough to? What should I do with the emblems?
I would say either make them all black or
Leave them off?
Or leave them off. One of the two, yeah. We could see how it looks with it off. Kind of keep people thinking, like,
what is it?
Yeah, what is it?
Right.
Yeah, do you want that color on the mirrors too, or you want to do the mirrors black?
What you think? Because I know, I think I had the door handles black in that picture I showed you.
Yeah. So we could do, like you said, the hood black, the roof black. Now the trunk, do you want
that piece just
to there?
Yeah,
okay.
It's right there.
And then leave this part the color that we're doing. Now on the, what about the Dodge letters too? Do you want me to take them completely off?
Yeah. Tail light tint?
Yeah. You want to do the whole
yep,
thing?
Whole
or
thing.
Do you want to do some type of, have you seen the ones with the design?
Yeah.
That have and stuff. There's a few different ways. You can look up some pictures before we get it just to see.
Right.
But if not, it'll all look good black. And we'll, of course, we'll take a little crown badge off before we do it. We'll have to take the badges off here and here too. And if
you can leave that charger off. Just put the Scat Pack back on there.
Put your little B back on.
Yeah, put that back on there. Let them know it's official.
Yeah, that way they know something. We'll black that out too. Black this one. I don't think there's any more. We'll make, when we do your roof, we'll make the shark fin black.
Okay.
So we'll do that. I'll add you a little detail somewhere too.
Something special?
Yeah.
You know you're going to have to put your little stuff up there. Then I'm going to, when I drop it off here, I'm going to add my tie stickers on then.
Okay.
I might leave a camera with you so you can record. Don't let me down, Nick.
I need to be practicing for my YouTube
Don't
anyway.
let me.
I'm still
You're supposed to be in there the video.
I know. So hey,
he's supposed to start his channel with his truck, y'all.
Yeah.
He got so much content here, he can make a channel.
I know. We gotta work on that. You'll be helping me when I'm helping you with this. You'll be helping me.
I got you.
So we'll be good to go. It's gonna be bad though. That's for sure.
Oh, and I'm gonna get my YouTube banner after I see the color on the car. You know, if you in any car shows, you know, you can take that with you.
Oh yeah, okay.
Just let me know.
Yeah. That'd be cool. That'd be a good one. That'd be a good one to show too.
Oh yeah. Especially kids. I know kids are gonna love it.
Oh yeah, they will.
They already love the green with the patterns on it.
Yeah. But see, you're already used to standing out, but this is gonna be another level here. I mean, it's gonna be. You better get used to the attention. I mean,
I love it.
They're gonna be everywhere you go. You ain't gonna be able to hide from nobody.
Hey, I've been low key. I ain't put nothing on there. I ain't put my YouTube, no Instagram, nothing on there. It's just regular stock. That's it.
Yeah. Now, yeah. So you've been able to enjoy it for about what, 2, 3 months?
Yeah.
Just
basically, yeah.
Low key.
But then, you know, people that follow me on Instagram, they know it's me.
Yeah, they already know. Yeah.
And then that's the only one that color around here.
Yeah, it is. Did you have them go locate it, or was it at the dealership?
It was at the dealership.
It was. That's the problem, cause they.
Everybody keep asking me, "Oh, you like that better than your other one?" No, that other one was my heart.
Yeah. This one will be though. This is a
Yeah, when I wrap it, we'll see.
yeah, the 2.0. So you're keeping a name though, right?
Yeah, yeah. So y'all, he said I'm gonna be done.
She's gonna be done by the
May the 29th.
29th. Yep. So we can make that grand appearance.
Okay, okay. He said it, y'all. I got him on camera saying it. Let me get your truck on here again.
It's kind of dirty too. So.
Everything dirty out here.
Yeah, it is. I started to wash it today and I didn't. It was raining a while ago.
So 21.
Yeah, 21. She's already got 10,000 miles. I'll be driving.
10,000.
Like yeah, I drive just like you.
I'm about to hit 4,000.
Oh yeah, so yeah.
Every time I see you, you somewhere else. The mountains or somewhere. You gonna keep them wheels chrome?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep them on that one right now. So, about that for a little while, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's keep the bubble up. Alright, what's going on, everybody? I'm Nick Leggett. This is NRL Designs out of Lumberton, North Carolina. We do all kinds of vehicle wraps, vehicle accessories, toolboxes. We do the BMW hitches, different things like that. And what we have here, we got a C7 Corvette. This is a 2017. It's a Grand Sport. We just wrapped in a Hexus chrome gold. And this right here, this is it's a little bit more difficult vinyl to work with, but you know, he's gonna turn heads everywhere he goes. So this one right here, this is definitely a head turner. It ain't all that. I mean, it's stock.
It's stock.
Yeah, you wanna hear it?
Yeah. Sound good if he stop.
Yeah, she does. They hit that track mode. I have to tell the owner Aaron not to watch that video. No, he's cool though. Back here we got a 21 RAV4. We're doing in a purple. So this one here is a KPMF. It's a gloss purple. So customer, she bought the vehicle and they don't make it in a purple, and she wanted purple, so the dealership brought it straight to us, and we're making it purple for her. So we do a little bit of anything there. So I mean, if you want to just change your whole color, we can do that, or we can do as simple as blacking out this Denali over here. We're actually blacking out the tail lights, blacking out all the chrome trim, making the GMC emblems black. This customer they just want a full blackout package right here. So we're doing that, and he's getting it prepped. We're gonna put a dark smoke. It's a Lux film that we use just to make it black on the tail lights. So anything you're looking to do, just let us know. We'll do it.
Where can they find you at?
Lumberton, North Carolina. Come hit us up. Our Instagram is NRL_designs with a Z at the end. Or Facebook.com/NRL Designs. And we're working on that YouTube so we can be big like this one right here.
What about your truck?
Alright, we got the Yukon here. We just did the black roof on it. We kept it kind of simple. I did a 2-inch leveling kit on it, put some 33s on it. Keep this one kind of simple. It's kind of the one, you know, if I want to kind of not necessarily hide in, but not stand out, you know. We didn't put any logos on this one because I like that pearl white. But, all right, we just moved in this building back in July, August area. We used to have a small shop, and we didn't do, when we did the full wraps, I had to do them at home in my garage, but we finally moved up to where we can sell more, do more. And now we've started selling UWS and cam locker toolboxes, and we have every one from, you know, the 71 to 72 inch to 69 inch, 63 inch toolboxes. We got the new UWS with the rail that stepped it up to compete with the cam lockers with the same style handles, and you know, or you can stick with the standard handle here. And then they have some with the pull handle. We got all.
You got everything. You got your own vinyl and everything.
Yeah, we do it all. We even have down the toolboxes for little side-by-side. We do all that too. And anything you want to do, hey, any vehicle accessories. If you have any questions, just hit us up. If I can't do it, I'll know somebody that can. So whatever you're looking for, we'll do it.